ephemeral, lasting for a very short time, ambiguous, unclear, meticulous, extremely careful with details, altruistic, selfless, helps others first, pragmatic, practical, and sensible, concise, clear in few words, vague, not clear or exact, tenacious, never gives up, eloquent, speaks fluently and well, impartial, fair, no bias, resilient, bounces back quickly after difficulty, candid, honest, and direct, says what they think, diligent, works hard, and pays close attention, empathy, understanding, and sharing others' feelings, innovative, comes up with new, creative ideas, lucid, clear, easy to understand, nostalgic, feeling sentimental about the past, prudent, careful, and wise in decisions, spontaneous, doing things without planning ahead, versatile, able to adapt to many roles or tasks,